Hey there, friends on YouTube. My name is Roger with Electronics and Gadgets. If this is your first time here, thanks for stopping by. Hit the like and subscribe, please. If you've been here before, thank you. For my next video, I'd like to do one on GZair's carbon monoxide CO detector. So let's go ahead and start as usual with the unboxing. So here we have the CO gas alarm. And we have some specs on the back. You can pause and read it, or we're going to go over a lot of the specs here later on. So let's go ahead and unbox this. Okay. Open it up. If I can. Does it push or pull here? Hang on. I'll get it. Sometimes we might have to destroy the box, but I'm trying. Hang on. Alright. It's making me mad. We don't want to get mad here. Okay. Just about done. There we go. Okay, so let's pull this out. And we're greeted with the instructions. Nothing else. Cardboard. So the instructions, pretty simple really. We'll go over that shortly. And here's the alarm. And take the plastic off. It comes in a plastic holder with a Velcro 3M strip on the back. And it pulls out real hard, so I don't know if I'm going to get this off without breaking something, but there we go. Oh, yep, there we go. This is being a problem here. Here we go. So you can put the holder on whatever, and then you can put the device on something else. There's how you get to the batteries. And that's the unboxing. So let's go over some specs here. This is GZair SA104. It's an electrochemical sensor, has a 5-year lifespan. It has a continuous 9-month runtime with battery powered. It has a visual alert, audible alert, real-time carbon monoxide concentration display. It's easy to set up and use with one simple button operation. So in this case, you turn it on and you let it sit. It's that simple. If it lights up, goes off, whatever, and you don't know, you push the button again and it'll show you what the number that it passed read with. So if I push it now, it reads 0. It's never gone above that. So that's its basic operation. So let's go over some common CO2 poisoning. What are the symptoms? The most common symptom of CO poisoning are headaches, dizziness, weakness, upset stomach, vomiting, chest pain, confusion. CO symptoms can also be described as flu-like. If you breathe in a lot of it, it can make you pass out or even kill you. So CO2 inside a vehicle is mainly from the exhaust gas from the engine when it's running. When the engine is idling, the burner is inefficient. The CO2 concentration will increase. If the air conditioner is on while the car is parked and the windows are closed, the air in the vehicle can only convert through the air conditioner. Then CO gas generated by the engine will flow inside the car through the air conditioner system. The CO will accumulate more and more. It can lead to unconsciousness or death. So it's very necessary to equip a carbon monoxide alarm in your car. So again, let's go over some specs. Again, this is the model SA104. It's an electrochemical sensor from Nemoto, which is made in Japan. It has a 5-year lifespan. The detection range is 0 to 1,000 parts per meter. The alarm point goes off at 50. The resolution is 1. The response time is less than 20 seconds. Its accuracy is plus or minus 5% of the reading. It has an LED indicator, blue, power supply light, and red for the alarm. The operating temperature is 14 to 140 Fahrenheit. Working humidity is 10 to 90. The power supply is two CR2032 batteries. The lifetime of the batteries continuously working is about 9 months. So in the box you get one CO gas alarm, the user manual, the plastic carry mount with a 3M stick-on, and one lanyard. So that's my video on the GZair SA104 carbon monoxide detector. I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below, and until next time, I'm out.